Audio 2.1. 1,
A tablet.
2,
A phone.
3,
A wallet.
4,
A key.
5,
A notepad.
6,
An apple.
7,
A laptop.
8,
A pen.
9,
A book.
10,
An umbrella.
Audio 2.2. 1,
5 books.
2,
10 phones.
3,
3 keys.
4,
8 pens.
5,
2 wallets.
Audio 2.3.
S. Books. Laptops. Wallets. Tablets. Z. Keys. Apples. Notepads. Umbrellas. Pens. Phones.
Audio 2.4.
This. That. These. Those.
Audio 2.5. 1,
What's this in English?
It's an umbrella.
2,
What's that in English?
It's a wallet.
3,
What are these in English?
They're notepads.
4,
What are those in English?
They're pens.
Audio 2.6. 1,
What's this?
It's a tablet.
2,
What are these in English?
They are keys.
3,
Who's that?
It's my friend, Lynn.
4,
What are those in English?
They're phones.
Audio 2.7.
11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100
Audio 2.8.
13 30 15 50 17. 70.
Audio 2.9. 1,
30,
2,
14,
3,
16,
4,
80,
5,
90.
Audio 2.10. 1,
What's this in English?
It's an umbrella.
2,
What are these?
They're apples from England.
3,
What are these in English?
They're keys.
4,
What's this? A laptop?
No, it's a tablet.
Audio 2.11. 1,
18 laptops.
2,
35 pens.
3,
2 umbrellas.
4,
40 apples.
5,
A book.
6,
9 bags.
Audio 2.12. 1,
Look at this.
Wow! A tablet!
2,
How many letters are there in the English alphabet?
There are 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
3,
There are 30 students and 15 books.
So we can work in pairs.
4,
Hello. I'm here for the conference. My name's Franson. Paul Franson.
Welcome, Mr. Franson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where's the computer room?
There are 3 laptops you can use over there.
Thanks.
Audio 2.13. 1,
Eric's an engineer.
2,
Hassan's a student.
3,
Thierry's a waiter.
4,
Asia's a nurse.
5,
Sonia's a doctor.
6,
Kumiko's a shop assistant.
7,
Daisy's a teacher.
8,
Yanni's a taxi driver.
Audio 2.14.
Doctor. Engineer. Nurse. Shop assistant. Student. Taxi driver. Teacher. Waiter.
Audio 2.15.
This is my friend Fernando.
Is he a student?
No, he isn't. He's a teacher in a school in Mexico.
Is it a language school?
Yes, it is. And these are my friends Jack and Katie.
Are they doctors?
No, they aren't. They're nurses in a hospital in London.
Audio 2.16. 1,
Where's Robson Street?
It's in Vancouver, Canada.
2,
Where's the Champs-Élysées?
It's in Paris, France.
Audio 2.17. 1,
Where's Marie?
She's on the Champs-Élysées.
2,
Where's John?
He's on Robson Street.
3,
Where are Sven and Max?
They're on Abbey Road.
4,
Where's Abbey Road?
It's in London, in the UK.
Audio 2.18.
Hi, Lewis. Helen here. How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Are you at home?
No, I'm in London.
Really? Where in London?
I'm at the Victoria and Albert Museum.
Where's that?
It's on Cromwell Road, near the Science Museum.
Wow! Is Max with you?
Yes, he is. We're here on holiday.
Audio 2.19. 1,
Where's Fisgard Street?
It's in Chinatown.
2,
Where's the McPherson Playhouse?
It's near City Hall.
3,
Where's the Robert Bateman Centre?
It's on Belleville Street.
4,
Where's Thunderbird Park?
It's next to the Royal British Columbia Museum.
5,
Where are the YMCA and YWCA?
They're near the courthouse.
Audio 2.20. 1,
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
2,
What time is it?
It's 2:05.
3,
What time is it?
It's 3:10.
4,
What time is it?
It's 4:15.
5,
What time is it?
It's 6:25.
6,
What time is it?
It's 7:30.
7,
What time is it?
It's 9:40.
8,
What time is it?
It's 12:55.
Audio 2.21.
It's 2:30. It's 10:05. It's 8 o'clock.
Audio 2.22. 1,
11:15.
2,
1:30.
3,
12 o'clock.
4,
9:45.
5,
2:40.
6,
5:20.
7,
7:33.
8,
10:07.
Audio 2.23. 1,
What time's the film?
It's at 7:30.
OK, thanks.
2,
What time's the meeting?
It's from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock.
Okay, good.
3,
Excuse me, what time's the next train?
One moment. It's at 10:42.
Great. Thanks.
Audio 2.24.
The Fantastic Four. 84 Charing Cross Road. 9 to 5. 12 years a slave. 100 degrees below zero. 17 again.
Audio 2.25.
This is my friend, Sarah.
Is she from Spain?
No, she isn't. She's from Brazil.
What's her job?
She's a student.
Is she at university?
Yes, she is. We're at the same university in Rio de Janeiro.
Audio 2.26.
The Sherlock Holmes Museum is on Baker Street. It is near Marylebone and Baker Street stations. Madame Tussauds is on Marylebone Road. It is next to Baker Street Station. London Zoo is in the Regent's Park. The entrance is on Prince Albert Road.